Today I'm going to explain a few steps on how I drain the diesel out of a 6.7 Powerstroak Ford. So I start with under the hood here, the fuel filter under the hood. I pull this filter completely out because I use a part of it, but this rear line, the one with the 90 in it going back, it is the supply line, so we'll pull it out. Going to leak a little bit. We'll pull it out, then we'll use that line in a second. I'm going to go ahead and get this filter completely out, then I'll start showing you some of the other steps. Since this fuel filter fits in here like this, I need this barb right here, so I just cut the one off the old filter because it needs replaced anyway. You'll plug this with the hose back into this line. Yeah, you gotta make sure the barb gets all the way in there. Then I'm gonna drain it into a 55-gallon drum because he's got a full tank of fuel here. On the frame rail up here, on the passenger side back near the tank, there's this 8-pin plug. We're going to take 2 loops of wire and connect the 2 ends together. So we'll stick one in here and one below it, of course. And we'll do the same on the other side. It'll look like this when you're finished. This turns the lift pump on. You see now, I just turned the ignition on and it's draining. When you hook the wires back together in the back, when you hook them together, it doesn't just turn the pump on. The ignition has to be on for the pump to turn on. So after you get everything set up, then turn the ignition on, it'll start pumping, and it'll pump until the ignition turns off or until you turn the ignition off. So you empty the whole tank this way. Sometimes I cycle it a few times just to not make the lift pump work as hard, but that's the steps.